Hidden Galaxy. Today we're going to be uncovering green juice. It's very fun to make and very healthy. Let's get to the ingredients. We will need kale, a bunch of spinach, a whole green apple, half a cucumber, half a lime, ginger, celery, and some honey. The green juice that we are going to prepare with these ingredients contains a lot of vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients, which is good for blood and heart. Now, let's wash and cut the ingredients. Now, we cut the ingredients and now we're ready to make the juice.